In today's video, I'll show you how you can find Facebook friends near you. This is an updated tutorial for the new Facebook, so if it helps you out, please do leave a like and also comment down below so we can push it to some more people. So what you need to do is you need to click on the search icon, and we then need to search for a friend. So say for example we want to find someone called John, and we want to find John who is near us. So enter in the name of your friend and then go to people. And it's going to load people who are called John, obviously, but there might be many people called John. We need to search for John who is nearby to us. So we click on the button in the top right hand corner, and then you can click on city. Here you can filter all of the people that are called John who live in any specific city. So I'm going to click here nearby and then show results. And what that's going to do is it's going to pull up all of the Johns who are nearby me. So I live in Chiang Mai, so it's pulling up all of the different Johns who currently live in Chiang Mai.